Sorry about that. Sorry. What did you say? Wait. Another one is coming. Wait. You did good. You have a good fake sneeze. No, you have a good fake sneeze. It's all about, you have to navigate the phone call in a way that makes sense, that makes it seem like you know what you're doing. So you got wobbly up in there, but you did get it back on track. Okay? You are getting a lot better at getting to know the caller. Have you noticed that you've been actually taking the tips on call time? You've been getting better at getting to know the customer, which extends the call. You've been doing that. I've been introduce yourself. He's back. Hey, honey. You're back. I'm glad you're back.
You said chew at the end of your name, like chew.
Oh. Once I start sneezing, I don't stop. That's the problem.